All right, here's another project. It is a timer for the dryer. So we're going to replace this because what I've been doing, I already pulled the back off. I already knew it was it because, I don't know, I tested about it 2 years ago and it's lasted this long. But what I've had to do here recently is actually turn this, push it in all the way, which it ain't supposed to do that, and then I bind it a little bit with a screwdriver. Well, once I get it in there, and I'll bind it like that, push it back in a little bit, and it would get contact in there. So now we're replacing it. This is one of our little projects. So we done pulled off the back. Gotta get back in there, pull it off. We're gonna pull this knob off. Very simple. Undo a couple bolts and put our timer on. I think it sits like that. We'll find out. Can't really show y'all back there very good. I don't know. I'll try to. Either way, we got a couple. I think it's upside down actually. Got a couple little clips undo. Let's get it on there. See if it works. Okay, already got it all wired up and everything. It's real quick. Just plug it all in, got the ground hooked up, everything like that. All I gotta do is put it back in where it goes right there. But you can hear the timer working, maybe. And what happened is it would still work, but the heater element would not work. So we're gonna start the dryer. It would work like that, like I'm saying. And we're gonna start the dryer, see if any heat comes out. Okay, that should be long enough. And plenty of heat coming out. Can y'all feel it? I can feel it. But yeah, it is definitely working. That's all the problem was. One more fixed. Let me show you where it was on the back right there and what you got to do to unplug it. Try to. Okay, right here. This is going to be best, but I don't have a pair of needle nose up here. Ain't that something? Here, let me show you. It's going to move a minute. Where are we? Right there. It's got a clip. You got to push top and on the bottom. And it's also got another one on the bottom right there. Either way, I'm going to try to get it off there. You're going to have to squeeze those two little ends that I showed you. Get them off there. And so far, I'm doing it upside down and kind of bent it a little bit. It would have been a lot easier with a pair of needle nose. I could have just unclipped, and popped it off without no problem. But no, me, I'm too lazy to go all the way down to the garage off the hill and get a pair of needle nose. So here I'm trying to use a screwdriver and pop it loose and decide to just bend it out of there. So at least I didn't break it because you got to be a little careful. There's a little bit of plastic right here on the inside. Two little tabs that actually held that on that were plastic and then the metal clips. So all we got to do is pop this back in and put a piece of metal back on the back and we are done. Definitely recommend having the right tools as far as putting back on the back panel. Had about 5 screws or so. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 screws, 1/4 inch bit, no problem there. Good to go. Definitely needed a pair of needle nose, but y'all definitely need to learn how to do this because that did not take that long, and the part was only about $70. Well, a tad bit more with tax, but definitely got to learn how to do this. I'd hate to know how much a call would be to have somebody fix a piece of junk dryer. And these dryers have went up in price. I think something like this is about $500 now. You used to be able to get this for like $299. All right, y'all. That's gonna be it. Y'all enjoy. Have a good day. We will see you on the next project.